Hello my friends, thanks for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a good one, but it is also in partnership with Walmart. They approached me again for their Here for Every Beauty campaign, which I really do like. And I was already in my local Walmart shopping around for some of these things because this video was also highly requested after my How I Style My Hair and Keep It Healthy video. Many people wanted me to do a video that was more affordable. So that's what I was in the pursuit of doing. I was shopping around for really good hair care products, and I did find them at Walmart. And they also want us to know that they are here to represent the world of beauty. They have drugstore, mid-range, premium brands. They cover the Revlon, CoverGirl, Maybelline, L'Oreal, Physicians Formula, NYX, ELF. They have all of that in store and online, but then they have Stila, Smashbox, they have Guerlain, they have skincare products, hair care products, health and wellness products of all different price points. So they are here to represent the beauty world, and they want you to know that they've got you covered. So now let's get on to our video, okay? So as I mentioned, they do have hair care for all. And online, I did want to just touch briefly on some of the premium brands that you hear me talk about all the time. They have the Kerastase Elixir Ultime. They have the Oil by Kerastase. They have Moroccan hair mask. They have the It's a 10 hair mask. I know this is a very popular one. They also have several different flavors or formulas of the Kerastase mask. So make sure that when you're looking for your hair products that you check Walmart.com and your local store. Most premium brands are online, Walmart.com. So when I was in Walmart looking around, I wanted to find some products that were good for the hair. I didn't want them to have a lot of sulfates in them. I wanted them to be as clean as they possibly could, but I also wanted them to perform well. So I have some different brands here, and I tried to go all across the board. All right, so number 4 is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Shampoo. Now this here has organic shea butter in it, Jamaican black castor oil, and peppermint. Peppermint invigorates the scalp. The castor oil is loaded with proteins, mineral, and vitamin E for healthy looking hair. And the organic butter, shea butter, will deeply moisturize while conditioning. And it has no sulfates, no propylene glycol, no parabens, no phthalates, no petrolatum, no mineral oils, and no animal testing. So it's cruelty-free. Now this shampoo here had a really good lather to it. It has a very mild smell. It's almost like a vanilla smell. So it's very mild because I'm not a vanilla lover. So this one was not offensive to me. It has you would think that the peppermint would give you a little bit of tingling sensation in your scalp. I did not get a tingling sensation with this product. It, like I said, it lathers well and it does rinse well. And this is also, the whole line is no sulfates, no chemicals, and it's cruelty-free. For me, I just focus this on the scalp area. So it's only going on my scalp because I wanted to try their hair mask as well. So I put that on my ends. So as far as putting it on my scalp, it is a little bit on the thicker side, and it has that mild smell of vanilla, and it doesn't detangle really well, and that is important to me, but it rinses very well. Now, castor oil is known with using it for a very long time. It is known to stimulate a little bit of hair growth. So if really thin hair, this product may really be beneficial for you as well as the shampoo. Now I did go ahead and use the hair mask that goes with it. And this is very, very thick. It doesn't detangle. It rinses well, which is important because I think a lot of people get build up and they think they have dandruff because they're not really rinsing their products well. So it does rinse well. When I was drying my hair, again, I didn't use any styling products with this one. When I was drying my hair didn't feel as soft as it normally does. The smell of the hair was nice. It was manageable, it did cut down on frizz, and it did blow dry nicely. So again, I think this would be very, very beneficial for those of you struggling with hair loss or fine hair. So we're going to move on to the next brand, and this is Not Your Mother. This is the Royal Honey and Kalahari Desert Melon Shampoo and Conditioner. And what are the claims on here as far as, okay, this one has no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, no dye, no gluten, and no phthalates. And it's cruelty-free. And this one here has a really lovely smell. It's really, oh, we got it right here. So I would say that this one here has a really nice scent to it. It has a very, very nice lather to it, and it rinses really, really well. And I did not have to use a ton of it to get that lather. Okay, so for the conditioner, it has the same mild smell. It is slightly thick, not super thick, but it is slightly thick. So it does spread well and evenly through the hair. When you comb through, if you comb through from the bottom to the top, it does detangle and it rinses well. Now, I did, before I blow dried, they have this product called the Royal Honey Kalahari Desert Melon Leave-In Conditioner. So I went ahead and applied the leave-in conditioner. This is very light. It doesn't weigh the hair down. My hair was very soft after using this system, and the shine was minimal. Okay, and it did cut down on frizz a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to move on to number 2. So that was number 3. So we are moving on to number 2. So the next line that I went in with is the HASC Argan Oil from Morocco. Now these are sulfate-free and paraben-free. I purchased a mask by them, and I also purchased the HASC Argan Oil, and I did a pre-treatment with this. So I first started out doing my pre-treatment, as I always do with my hair oils. And this one here has a light fruity orange scent. My hair really absorbed this. It is a lighter consistency of an oil, so it would have taken a lot more for my hair to really do a pre-treatment, so I focused only on the end. I would have gone through the whole bottle right away. So I did that, and it was on my hair for a couple of hours before I went in and shampooed with the HASC Argan Oil Repairing Shampoo. And like I said, these are free of sulfates and parabens, and this strengthens and restores. This one here has that same fruity, light orange smell almost to me, and it lathered really, really well, and it rinsed well. Which is the next thing I did is only on my root area, I applied the Argan Oil Repairing Conditioner. I just wanted to see how it felt. It detangles, and it has the same smell, and when I was rinsing, it rinsed out well. I did go in for my ends with the HASC Deep Conditioner, and this one here is very thick in consistency. However, it spreads easily through the hair. It smells very nice, that same orange scent, and it rinsed really clean, but it also detangles really well. So this product I really did like, and as you can see, now when I go to blow dry it, I do the rough dry, and then I use the Revlon brush. But before blow drying, I did apply the Argan Oil again. The results from the oil, it does soften the hair, it gives you minimal shine. It did tame the frizzies only slightly, but we're going to move on to number 1. This one here, I had talked about this mask a while ago. I've talked about it in quite a few of my empties. And I had never ventured out into the shampoo, conditioner, or any of their other products. And this is by Hair Food. Now these are sulfate and paraben and dye-free. Now this one here does have a hair oil. It's argan oil and avocado, but I did not pre-treat for this system. So I went in the shower, and I bought the Manuka Honey and Apricot Moisture Shampoo. I even like the bottle. I love the packaging, the pump. I really like everything about it. I like that it's clear on the side here. You can see when you're almost out of it. But anyway, this is the Manuka Honey Moisture Shampoo. And I did buy the moisture formula because I have very dry hair. But they do have other formulas, and I may try the avocado next. This product lathers well. It has a really nice smell. And today my hair is with this whole system. So I am My hair is a result from this product today. So the next thing I did is I went in with the Manuka Honey and Apricot Moisture Conditioner, and I put it only on my scalp because I wanted to use the hair mask. I actually have more of these because I just love this hair mask. So I went in with the hair mask. You can see it is a thick consistency, and when you spread it, it really distributes evenly through the hair. You can comb through and detangle in the shower. It does not weigh the hair down. It has a pleasant smell, and it doesn't take any of the shine away. It rinses really well. That's another reason I like products that rinse well, because I don't want anything on the surface of my hair that is going to dull it. So I left the mask on for 5 minutes. I rinsed it off. I put my hair in a turban. Now I'm going to come over and I comb through my hair quickly, but then I'm going to go ahead and apply the avocado and argan hair oil before I blow dry. I take a rough dry just like I did with all the others with the Dyson blow dryer, and then I go in and I finish my hair with the Revlon finisher. And I will tell you, now I did roll my hair. I did some large rollers just to give it a little bit of a bend, because this makes my hair super, super straight, as you can see in the clips. So my hair has incredible shine, really incredible shine. This oil is beautiful. It does not weigh the hair down. This is a fabulous, fabulous hair system for those of you who are looking for sulfate-free, paraben, and dye-free products. It is not, I don't believe, let me get my zoom lens. I don't know if it's cruelty-free though. It is not cruelty-free though. I don't believe it is. I don't see the Leapin' Bunny anywhere. All right, my friends, but it really is a good, affordable. I think these were like $6 or something like that each. So this is more affordable. All right, my friends, so that wraps it up for my shampoo, conditioner. I know it's too bad that I didn't have a hair oil for this one so that I could have finished up. But as far as shampoo and conditioner, I think I can give you a pretty good feel for them. But anyway, this is, I might do more of these. I might keep searching Walmart and find more affordable shampoo lines and conditioner lines, you know, because they come out with new ones all the time. Or I might try some of the other formulas and see if it works as well as some of these. Of course, you know, I don't have curly hair and I don't have oily hair, but I may try some of their styling products and maybe do a video on that. You let me know in the comments if you would like to see something, if you would like to see more brands. And if you have some brands you would like me, the more affordable brands that you would like me to try, you know, let me know in the comments. So check out your local Walmart for these products. And if you can't find them in store, check out Walmart.com. Walmart.com is where you go to get all the premium brands or the mid-range brands. It's a, you know, when you really take time to look through that. So I've always been a Walmart shopper in store, but I never really paid much attention to online. But I've only recently become an online shopper, and now I love it. And I just, when I have free time, I just go through the site and see what they have to offer, because sometimes you save a little ching-ching. Yes, you do. And as Walmart says, they have what you need at prices that allow you to play. All right, my ageless beauties, that's it for today. Let us know in the comments if you're using any of these systems. All right, I would like to thank Walmart for partnering with me, and that's it. So before you leave, make sure you subscribe. I would love to have you as part of my ageless beauties. We have a wonderful community here, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you are made aware of all the videos I'm putting out. Go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I love you all. Bisous.